Human beings need water to live in order to survive. We need to help the earth so we can live the life we want. We can't live without water. Our body has to have water or else we'll die. If you have no water, your throat will get parched and your health will get weaker. Water is vital for anything to live. If you have no water for 3 days, it leads to death. 70% of our body is made out of water, so if we don't have water, we can't live. In our body, we have 5 liters of blood, and if you lose some blood, we have to drink 5 liters of water. Water is limited because some water gets stuck up in the clouds. There is 97% in the world that is salty water. 2% is in rivers. 11% is from streams. 0.9% is from other places. All around the world, there's only 3% of fresh and clean water. Fresh water becomes dirty water and unclean water, so the fresh water is always limited. We use water to do stuff every day, like cooking, eating, and drinking. If we don't have any water, we can't do anything. Water is very important, so as you can see, we can't live without water. If you can't do anything, then what are you supposed to do? Cooking, playing is a part of our life. We have to have water to live. People use our water to wash oil boats. If they keep on doing this, then there will be oil, chemicals, even poison inside our water. Then fresh water will no longer be found. If fish die, there must be a reason. Pig slurry got into the water at the oceans, lakes, also seas. Fish needs to breathe in the water for oxygen. If there is no fresh water and only dirty water, then the fish will have a hard time. Factories is one of the main reasons why the water is polluted. They dumped chemicals, poison, and trash in the water. The water is obviously getting polluted. Factories should know that what they're doing is bad and it's against the law. Ocean water is polluted. The animals that live there is also getting sick, like seals and sea lions. When the polar bears eat them, then the polar bears are getting poisoned. Dumping trash is bad. People know that it is bad, but they don't take the responsibility. They even dump poison in the water. One of the main reasons that water has poison in it is because people use water for shipping. There was an accident spill when over 11 million gallons of oil spilled all over the ocean and animals started to die. Water isn't clean all the time. There's poison and medicine in our water because the people that clean the water is getting lazy and lazier and they don't clean the dirty things in the water very well. The water cycle goes around and around. Collection is where water is stored until evaporated. Water goes in and out of different places called collection. The different forms of collection can be in lakes, rivers, pools, oceans, anywhere else water is found. Evaporation is one of the steps in the water cycle. Evaporation is when water molecules come out of different places where water is. They come out of the sky and goes up into the clouds. The higher the temperature is, there will be more evaporation. If there's more wind, more evaporation. Transpiration is when water from underground goes up the plant or tree's roots. The water goes up and up the plant. The plant or tree comes out. Transpiration is connected to evaporation. Different forms of transpiration are plants, trees, and soil. Condensation means when tiny water molecules goes up higher and higher. The higher they go, the colder it gets. It gets colder and colder until they condense together to form a cloud. There are many different types of clouds. clouds, and many more. Another form of condensation is fog or mist. Precipitation is when water molecules get cooled and squished together, and they get heavy and fall into many types, like rain, snow, hail, sleet, ice pads, and gravel.